Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to do my new anonymous mask. So today, outfits. Check. You have to pick a cute outfit and make sure your anonymous mask approves. Obviously, I tried putting it on today, and my anonymous mask approves. Both approve. So next, hair. That's the most important thing about it, the outfit and the hair and makeup. You don't have to wear makeup because your makeup's not going to be showing. So, yeah. Okay, but the only thing that's going to be showing is your outfit, your eyes. No, the only thing that's going to be showing is your outfit and your hair. That's the only thing we're showing. That's your eyes, well, we don't need that. So, the thing I'm going to do, I already did the outfit. I'm just supposed to go like a daily vlog, but it's not a daily vlog. It's not supposed to be a daily vlog. It's supposed to be a tutorial how to use your anonymous mask very goodly, or get a very cute outfit, or get some kind of anonymous thing. But anyways, it took me a very long time to do it. I got my scrunchies or / hair ties. We're gonna try some hairstyles. I'm actually looking at hairstyles online. They had no good. They had anything I want near to any of that stuff. So we're gonna try my own little hairstyles. And then try it on my anonymous mask. No, wait a minute. Let's try the other one and then put the anonymous mask on and see if it looks cute or not. It looks kind of cute, but not really. Let's try. Oh, that looks kind of cute though. Take this out real quick. Yeah, it looks kind of cute. So that's one. I will draw these on a piece of paper. I will draw these on a piece of paper for this so I can get some hairstyles. I'm going to cut this out and edit it, and I'm just like stop here. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna see if you guys want to get a couple more hairstyles because I'm gonna have to draw these down to know which ones I want. Okay? So yeah, I'm just like pause this part, not like legitly pause it, but I'm gonna see you when I'm done. Okay. I should change my mind with a couple minutes. Change my mind. I'm going to, instead of doing that, I'm going to just keep cutting out the video and showing you the different kind of hairstyle. Okay, so this is number one hairstyle up, and when I'm doing this, I'm gonna edit it and put number one, number two, number three, if I want to, if I feel like it. And I'll probably have like 4 different hairstyles because it's gonna be a long time to choose. I have to look at lots of different hairstyles. But anyway, this is number one. Number two with the anonymous mask on. Number 3. Basically I just used one of my scrunchies and just tied it up in the back because it looked ugly. But it looks cute in the front. I'm gonna show you the anonymous mask in a minute. Number 3 with the anonymous mask on. And last but not least, number 4. So number 4 kind of looks a little messed up, but it looks kind of cute if it wasn't messed up. But anyways, it looks cute though. I don't want to wear it. And wear extra wear no. Either. Okay, which one? Number 4, this one. Number 3, this one. The last one was number 4. Number 2 or number 1. I think I'm going for number 1, number 2, or number 3. Which one do you think I should go for? Yeah, comment on my TikTok if I even have one. And yeah. or comment on my little daily post on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you later. But before I continue this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit notifications down below so you never miss one of my videos if I'm posting new ones. Because I ain't gonna be posting some, and I haven't been posting 2 videos in a long time. So I'm gonna just choose number 4. I could choose next on my school day on Monday. But I think I should go for number 2. The ponytail like this. And it was a one ponytail, but yeah. I'm going to go with number 2, and I'm going to see you when I'm done doing number 2. And then we'll do the next step. Okay, I'm back. So I switched the scrunchie to this one because this one is really hurting, and I'm gonna just like do a different one instead. I think we'll just gotta keep this one. I'm gonna just keep it. Okay, I'm gonna put the scrunchie back real quick. Put these clothes back also. Okay, and then close my door. Get out of my room. And I'm good. So this is the results. Hair results. Outfit result. And yeah. So I'm gonna do one last thing. My face. So as you can see this? You better can see it, but it's kinda red. This mirror showing down under here is red, and I can see my veins through here. And I don't like the way that I have it. Like, I think it looks like I got a black eye. Look, one second. My light is very bright over there, so. Bro, you can't see it here. There it goes, focus. Yeah, it's focusing, but like, every time I get a little close, there you go. You can see right there. It looks like a black eye. Focus. Here, I'm gonna show you. I'm on my laptop, but like, look. You see my face? Look at that. You see that? You see that right there? That. Alright, look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Oh my God, my finger touch. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Don't look at me. Look at the mirror. You see that? Let me flip the mirror this way. There. You can see it a little better. Yeah, it looked like a black eye, and I don't have a black eye. It looks like I hurt myself, and it looks like that. That mask is like kind of hurting. Oh my God, my teeth is glowing where I look at. Okay. Like still, I'm gonna have to fix this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have some oil here. My mom gives me some oil. She made it herself. I wish my mom had her company, but she has tons of bottles. She's probably gonna be making some. This is Capricorn energy. If you are a Capricorn, you can have it, but you're not having it. Cause I'm a Capricorn, and this was made on the Capricorn moon, I think, when the moon was in Capricorn. She made it for me, and it has Capricorn energy in it because I'm a Capricorn, and it has little roses. It was really good. Anyways, I put it on my face. It's for my skin sometimes. It is for my skin actually. It makes my skin glow sometimes because I use it when I get out of the shower sometimes. I use it a lot, but barely. It was full here, and now it's here. It's okay. My mom will be watching the video, and she'll love it. She'll love that I use her oil a lot, and cause I like I'm supposed to for my body anyways. Looks like that little vein thing is going on right now. I got the sand is coming out of my eyeball. Alright, since that's over with, lotion. not face cream, lotion. Sorry I'm being so quiet. I just had to do this and refocus and get in my eye. Okay, I'm all done with that. I'm soon supposed to be having a glow up. Soon when I go get a little older, I'm gonna have a glow up. I can't wait to see what my glow up looks like. Anyways, I'm probably gonna have to glow up after I get my braces or before I get my braces. I'm really gonna have a glow up during when I'm having my braces. Sometimes people have glow ups on the braces, but not really. They have glow ups after their braces. Like, look at this teeth. I brush it, so like it just never turns. Like, it doesn't stop. So yeah, I'm going to go brush my teeth now because I forgot to brush it this morning. So I'm gonna go brush it real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and give you a little update what happens next. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I'm back. So it took me a little while, but wait, moment, it's not a vlog. So first, it took me a little while to brush my teeth because also it didn't take me a little while. I did 30 for each tooth, like top left, top right, top middle, bottom right, bottom left, bottom middle. So like each set 30 seconds. Okay, so you should wash your teeth for like 1 minute or 2. And then I gotta redo the oil stuff because I wash my face because I do that in the shower stuff. By the way, I also have lip medicine, which is also going to help me realize that it's going to also be part of my glow up if I keep using my medicine and keep using it until my lips look like it's all not going to be like crusty. Not crusty, but like be messed up and like had like a little reddish like rash under my lip, like as a rash because I've been like itching it and licking it, and I can't be itching it and licking it. Like everybody else has different problems than me, not just me. I have probably like other people who had the same problems as me. Probably not the only one, but yeah, I just feel it feels good that I am healing it. This medicine, I'm supposed to be using it, and I'm supposed to be using it day and morning. Told me to, because at night, every time I do it at night before I go to bed, it does not work. So I have to do it every night and every morning. So I gotta put it on. I just forgot to put it on because it was too long. Yeah. So I'm gonna just like do somehow not show you all the stuff I'm gonna be doing. I'll just go do it and then come back and just end the video because that'll be it. I'm probably gonna post another video. I'm probably gonna post another video after this. So yeah, so I'm not gonna end the video now. I'm just gonna go show you the rest of the things before I go. So yeah, I'll be right back to get my medicine and then end the video. Okay, I'm back. So I got my medicine. I put it in this little container so I can travel, take it with me. This looks like it's very clear. Ooh, it's very clear. You can't see it, but it's like focusing. Yeah, that's the best. It's very clear. Yeah, you can see it now. I have stuffy nose. Okay, I'll put lower my lips, like under the bottom where the rash is, and put on my lips. And like right here, and then I see right here like bleeding. Now I'll brush my teeth. For some reason, I don't know why, but it was, and that's my bleeding. I don't know why, but I stopped it. I feel like it was bleeding again, but it really wasn't. It just looked like it was bleeding, but I think it was bleeding. But every time I touched it, the blood didn't come off. Like I kept rubbing it out like this. Like it didn't come off. So I guess it was just like my gums and I couldn't see. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. I hope I get enough money to buy a real YouTube camera, because real YouTube cameras cost a lot of money, especially on Amazon. They cost so much money to get them new. I want to get the ones used, but yes, I hope I get enough money to buy a real YouTube camera, because I'm sick of using my laptop. Because if I want to use my laptop and I use it for other things, I have to use my school laptop. So yeah, I just wanna note you. I love you guys. See you next time. Note you again. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification button so you never miss my videos when I post a new video, or so you can get notified when I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you have a good day. Have a good week, which is almost the end of the week, because tomorrow's Sunday, which means it's the end of the week. Ooh! Which means I have 2 days until I'm gonna go back to school. But guess what? We have 2 days left until the event happens in Fortnite. Yeah, I hope you have a good day. Bye bye, chicken nuggets. I miss you. Bye, chicken nuggets. See you.